Here I have TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide power off. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TECNO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Let's try once again. So you let go of power key just like this and hold only volume up. When you see this Android robot and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once, and you will end up in recovery mode. So here at this mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.